Hello fam, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Novel from iExpert. So as always, iExpert give you the best and something of creative knowledge so you can guys learn easily. And today we just give you this really interesting and something awesome awesome design knowledge. So if you want to make your screen print, so you want to change your color, so you want to divide your color, so that's really interesting thought. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. So first of all, so if you want to be a color separation for your screen print, so first of all you have to see the design. So so when you just design, just click it. So my printer size, my screen size is 70 inch wide, and height will be 21 centimeter, like this height. There's no problem in height, so you can see this. You can adjust in your width and height if you want to adjust your width. So you can I just if I put it 17 centimeter, so it will be 17 centimeter in here. And also in height, if I want to make 21, so it will be like this, one click. So first of all, you just see see how many color in here. Just first of all, just for example, I just make it one dimensional like this. So just divide your color, how many color in here, so it will be it help you to make it better. Control V. So just a black one, and one is green, and one is yellow, and one is red, and one is a skin tone color, and one is white. So for white is not visible, make it stroke black, so you will understand. So you can see in that image you used 1 2 3 4 5 6 color. So in here, so they used in this design 6 color. So if you want to make a so if you want to make your own screen print, so that's it, there will be 6 colors. So we have to make a 6 frame, and then especially we just we have to heat them, and then make it a 6 different color frame. So just wait, and let's see. Just first of all, I must prefer, so I must prefer this pathfinder option before you separation. Just go to pathfinder option, because just you have to cut every single part. So if you don't know what is a pathfinder, so please, I will will follow my course in Adobe Illustrator, it on my page on my YouTube. So if you want to learn how to use how to operate the Adobe Illustrator, so you can learn from here. So that's completely free, and you don't have to pay for anything. So okay, go to pathfinders. So in here, that's the pathfinder option. So when you just click all the object, and then it's a divide option. So when you click the divide, so okay, that's a really pretty much simple. So now we just color wise, so if you can see that if you press the Ctrl Y, so you can see there's a lot of object in here. Again Ctrl Y. So again for undo Ctrl Y. So in here, so let's just click. We have this these tools. Just click magic coin tools to see how many. For clicking the black, so we have choose the black. Then this something is that type of file like this, or for example like this, it had lot of object in here. So for better, just click and just make them unit. Just make them unit. Okay, now it's okay. Now there's white part, then unit, so it will be one graphics. So now come to point, just make a cross symbol, because when you make the symbols, so there's a really support to make this frame adjustment this cross symbol is really important and essential. So let's increase this and go to Windows, then stroke, strokes, just make it for smoother, and then just copy it, just put it to copy it, just object expand. So it helps to adjustment to your frame when you just make it just like this, just always remember it will be same measurement. Press Ctrl R to active the ruler for for it will be the same measurement, and it will be to be mid. This is really important, this marking is really important. So just midpoint, so it will be in midpoint, so that's they give you the better result to adjust your frame, to make your frame adjustment. So we have that's our images. Okay, so in here the YOLO, so first click one by one. So let's take this skin tone color and this make it this group, and choose the skin tone color, and then just click this. Just click this and then just take it on. Okay, so make it group. So we got our skin in here, so that's really pretty much simple. And then come to the red part. Just group it. Always remember one thing, I'm just using color wine tool to fix this one color, that's red color, for the click the red color. So this like this, so you can get all the red colors. You see that, so you can get all the red colors activated. So you can just select it and then you can choose it. It's your own way. So that's really easy and simple, and it's not a big science, so you can do that easily. So just follow my instruction. So if you if it be 10 color or 12 colors, doesn't matter too. So if you want to make your separations, that's really easier. So now it comes to our this yellow part. So that's the yellow part. Okay, that's the yellow part frame. Just use when you work in here. So this magic coin tools is really essential. So when you just click one color, so that's magic coin tool is really it's a really most helpful objects, helpful tools, So I must suggest to follow the instructions. So magic coin tools really essential. So you see that that's the yellow color is gone. Then just we got 1 2 3. So that's mean this color is done, this red color is done, and the yellow color is done. That's 3 is done. That's 3 is done. Now come to white and 3 more colors. So now we can select the whites. So you can see when I just click on our magic coin tool, so we can select all the white object in here. So that's really pretty much easier. Just white color. I got the white color. So for the white color visible, because you know our background will be white, so white will not visible, so make it black color. So when you make it black, it will be visible, so that's really will be easier. That will be easier. Just lock them. Okay, so we just got this white color also, and just white color done. This skin tone color is done, red is done, yellow is done, and the green and the black. So there will be something problem, you know, because when I just click, when sometime you just click black, it also read this green part. So that's must be frustrating. So it's not be easy at all. So you see that they're also activated this green layer. So now what to do? And now what to do, that's really you know, it's a really pretty much frustrating part. So we have to remove the green part in here. Just make it so in here, just to see the green area, just press the shift and click the green area. Press shift and click the green area, it will be activated. You know, for making tutorial I can give you the one color instruction, but I want you guys learn the basic, so you can make it easily. So that's why I choose many colors or many colors, so that's help you. So press the shift and group it. Okay, then you know, when you're making a screen print or t-shirt business, that's really essential. Screen printing, for the screen printing, making screen color separation is really essential. So if you do that, so you have to learn it really essentially. So and if you don't know how to operate Adobe Illustrator, so I must suggest to follow our course on Adobe, follow our course in here. Okay, there's some mistakes I made. Just group. Just group them. When you just group them, just always remember this mark is really essential. So when you just printing, so this mark will be really helpful and really helpful, pretty much helpful. This group and put it. Then we got the green area in here. Then green part is done. Okay, so now you can see some unexpected green area, so we don't need this. You can remove them, or you can make it black, so no problem at all. So I don't need that extra object. So that's the main black part. So our work is done. So if you have any kind of question, any kind of problem, so you can comment down below. So you can see that there's the one color, there's the black, and there's the green part, and there's the white part, and the yellow parts, and the red part, and the body color. So that's pretty much easier and pretty much easier. So guys, so if you think that's really support you, and you know, so you have the subscribe button. So making subscribe is really free, so you don't have to give you anything. So if you subscribe, so that motivates me to making more informative videos like this. So my iExpert channel, I have really long vision, so I can I can support worldwide, because I put every single update and data in that every single tutorials. So your support give me energy and give me and helps me to move forward. So I must suggest, please subscribe. And if you have any confusions, don't so just don't think, just comment down below, and I will inshallah I will give you every single updates. And and the most important thing, so sorry about my English, is sometimes my English is really stuck, because I'm not from English zone, so that's why my English is a little bit different. But I give every single information, so that helps you. So it doesn't matter where are you from, so you can learn. So thank you so much guys, subscribe and make this family bigger.